Are you pondering over the idea of expanding your living space in Basingstoke? Well, a loft conversion might just be the perfect solution for you. In the face of escalating costs associated with moving house, converting your loft emerges as a cost-effective alternative. It allows you to add extra bedrooms, craft a home office, or even design a playroom for the little ones. Embarking on a loft conversion journey requires careful thought and planning. It's crucial to engage a reputable company that has a wealth of experience in the Basingstoke area. Now you might wonder, what are the steps involved in this process? First and foremost, you need to assess the suitability of your loft for conversion. This includes checking the head height, the pitch, and the type of roof structure. Next, seek professional advice on planning permission. Although loft conversions often fall under permitted development rights, it's wise to confirm with your local authority. The third step involves designing the loft conversion. This is where your dreams and ideas take shape. A good loft conversion company will work with you to create a design that meets your needs while complementing the style of your home. Next, you need to consider building regulations. These are standards for design and construction which apply to most home improvements. Last but not least comes the construction phase. This is where the plans come to life and your loft is transformed into a usable space. Whether your property in Basingstoke is traditional or modern, a loft conversion can inject value and functionality into your home. So why delay? Transform your unused loft space into a stylish and practical living area today. It's time to take action. Contact a loft conversion specialist in Basingstoke and start planning your dream space. Thank you for lending your time to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more home renovation tips and ideas.